Welcome to my channel, and this is a quick tour of a deluxe interior room on the MSC Seashore, specifically room 10151, and here we go. So here is a quick overview. So as you come in, you have one thing I want to note first is you have to use your key card to actually turn the lights on. So that's one thing that is kind of inconvenient, but I understand because they're saving power. Coming in immediately to the right, you have the bathroom. And kind of a typical bathroom. You have a little bit smaller counter space than usual, but you do have room to store your toiletries. And the shower, you have a shampoo and shower gel and the typical handheld shower. But it is kind of a small shower compared to other cruise lines. And that is the bathroom real quick. And then we got the vanity, and there's my drinks. All right, so one thing I like to point out is the USB ports. So you have two USB ports and two 110 outlets. And then you got the European outlets. And me being a big YouTuber, electronics guy, USB ports are what I look for. And so I'll actually put up my plug extender to show you guys what I use to get more USB ports. But back to the vanity, you have a chair. You have some drawers with a hair dryer. And then you have a mini bar, it says. So obviously this stuff costs money. It's not free. And if you have the drink package, I believe it does not work with this. So I would just leave this stuff alone or ask your stateroom attendant to take it out. And then you have the king size bed, or it divides into twin size beds if you want. Each side you have a little cubby hole. And what is this? I don't know what that is, and I'm not really too worried about it. But you got cubby holes, you got a little light switch, a little reading light, and then your little light switch. You have that on both sides, and then on this side you actually have another USB port. So that's a total of 3 USB ports, a couple more cubby holes for you to put your stuff. And then this, like I said, it's a deluxe interior. You have a chair, no couch, you have a giant mirror, and then you have a closet. One side has shelves with a safe, and then some more drawers. And shoot, I can't even figure out how to open that bottom one. Maybe the bottom one doesn't open. Nope. I'm sure it opens. I just can't figure it out right now. Oh man, these stick. And then you have another side. The other side of the closet, this is where you have your hangers. You have a shelf. Go O's. And then a little maybe shoe shelf or something, whatever. And that is a quick tour of a deluxe interior room. Nothing fancy. Not a whole lot to it. One thing that's cool is MSC is getting in the 21st century, and bring your phone. Mine doesn't work on wireless chargers. It's a wireless charger right here. Look at that. That is cool. Bam, look at that. So one less need for a USB outlet. So I do a lot of cruise videos. Not only do I do my day by day on the cruise ship, but I do cruise rooms and I do a ship tour. So any ship I've been on, Carnival, Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, MSC, all that stuff, I make videos so that if you're going on the cruise, you know what the room looks like. If you have the same room class, you know what the ship looks like, so you know where to find everything, and you know what like day by day is by the schedule. So don't forget to subscribe if you want to like see when I post a new video, or look at all the old videos I've done. But if you made it this far, hey, I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will go ahead and put the link down below for like the plug extender I use and a couple other like necessities that I always have. I use a fan. I use some hooks, some metal or magnet hooks, you know, to hang stuff on. Fan. I have a seasickness band that I use sometimes if I'm worried I'm going to get seasickness if the sea's a little rough. But I'll put all those links down below. But if you made it this far, hey, I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. And until next time, have a great day. Bye.